Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to have an AI friend. So, I'm currently on my Opera GX Windows tab. Opera GX website. You can use any website app or search engine. You can use Google, Safari, but in my case, I'm using Opera GX. So, just search for ChatGPT and you're gonna see openai.com. So just tap on that and then try ChatGPT. It's gonna send you to this link right here and you're gonna have to sign in with your Gmail account. Once you've signed in, it's gonna ask you to verify your account, which is very simple. Just go to your account and then verify. Once you're done verifying, you can use ChatGPT anytime you want. Unless there is a malfunction, then you'd have to wait until they fix it. But if there's no malfunction, you can use it to ask for homework or baking ideas. Basically anything you want to ask, it's gonna answer. It's way better than Siri and gives way better answers, and it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.